Anatomy lecture 6, upper limb, muscle attachment of scapula. So let's start with its anterior surface or the subscapular fossa. It gives origin to the subscapularis muscle. It is also originated from its lateral border. The medial border gives insertion to the serratus anterior. Now come to the glenoidal part. The infraglenoidal tubercle gives origin to the long head of triceps brachii. The supraglenoidal tubercle gives origin to biceps brachii. Now come to the suprascapular notch, which gives origin to the inferior belly of omohyoid muscle. Now we will come to the Coracoid process. The tip of the Coracoid process gives origin to the Coracobrachialis and the short head of biceps brachii. Medial border of Coracoid process gives insertion to the Pectoralis minor. Now we will come to its dorsal surface. The dorsal surface is divided by the spinous process. On its superior side there is superior spinous fossa, which gives origin to Supraspinatus. The inferior spinous fossa gives origin to Infraspinatus. From lateral border on the infraglenoidal tubercle there is origin of triceps, and the upper toothed part of the lateral border gives origin to the Teres minor muscle. The lower one-third part of the border gives origin to the Teres major muscle, and the inferior angle gives origin to the Latissimus dorsi. Now we will come to its medial border. The medial border upper part gives insertion to the Levator scapulae. From the root of spine it gives insertion to the Rhomboid minor, and the rest of the lower part it gives insertion to the Rhomboid major. Now we will come to the spinous process. The upper lip of spinous process gives insertion to the trapezius muscle, which is continuous to the medial border of acromion process. On its lower lip it gives origin to the deltoid muscle, which continuous to the acromion process lateral border. Now we will come to the glenoid cavity. The glenoidal labrum is a ligament which is present around the glenoid cavity to increase its space. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Dr. Bros.